In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a record type ID in Salesforce. This straightforward process should take us about 5 minutes, but we'll guide you through each step thoroughly to ensure you're comfortable and confident in executing it yourself. So whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or just starting out, this tutorial will be valuable for you. First, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're logged in, our journey to finding the record type ID begins. The key to a good start is navigating to the right place, so you'll need to head over to the top right corner of the page and click on the Setup option. It's crucial for accessing all of the tools and settings in Salesforce, and you'll find it represented by a gear icon. Next, in the search box at the top left of the page, type in Object Manager. This search will lead you directly to the Object Manager interface. Think of the Object Manager as your command center for managing the data structures within your Salesforce environment. Here, each object holds specific data points, such as accounts, contacts, and more, depending on how your organization has configured Salesforce. Once you're inside the Object Manager, you'll need to locate and select the specific object you wish to work with. This step is vital because each object in Salesforce can have multiple record types, and you'll need to choose the correct one to find its record type ID. To do this, either scroll through the list or use the search feature to pinpoint the exact object you're after. With your object selected, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll see a variety of options here, but our focus today is record types. Clicking on this option opens up the list of record types associated with your selected object. These record types allow for custom page layouts and business processes, which is why it's often necessary to know their IDs. Now find and click on the specific record type name you're interested in. It's typically hyperlinked, allowing you to view more detailed information about it. As soon as you click on this link, you'll be redirected to the record type's specific page. Finally, observe the URL in your browser's address bar. The record type ID is part of this URL. It will usually be the alphanumeric string located towards the end. Make a note of this ID as it can be quite useful for integrations, reports, and custom settings within Salesforce. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step way to find a record type ID in Salesforce. With this knowledge, you're equipped to tackle more advanced configurations or automations that require a precise understanding of Salesforce record types. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more tutorials and tips.